Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Friday, March 28, 2025. It's an earthquake report for Myanmar. We have a series of earthquakes up to shallow 7.7, 7.4, 6.4, 6.1. These numbers will be adjusted, as all earthquakes are. One is directly at the international airport. Let's show you locations first. I'm not going to do any cleanup editing on this video. It's woke me up. This is our 7.7. This is going to be adjusted locations. And 7.4 in this region here. Unfortunately. Then a 6.4. Right at the international airport. Obviously, there's going to be some damage to the runways. Also, we have 3 buoys put into event mode. I will explain this, as I have done several times before. So we have 2 in the Bay of Bengal and 1 at the entrance to the Timor Sea into the Indian Ocean off of Australia. So our earthquake is right here. So our earthquake started at 0620 UTC. 7 and 8 minutes later, these 2 in the Bay of Bengal are activated. And at 6:48, this one here off of Australia is activated. These are not tsunami waves. I repeat, these are not tsunami waves. This is motion of the ocean floor. So very minimal movement of the ocean floor. This one. Oh boy. Okay, you got to give me a moment, folks. You're going to be seeing this live here. I just did a refresh. There'll be some moments of silence while I look at it. So this one at 0623, so 3 minutes after the earthquake. This one in the Philippine Sea. 06:55. So 35 minutes after the earthquake. Okay, so first it was these two, then Timor Sea entrance, an additional one, and then the Philippine Sea. As I'm talking every once in a while, I'm going to be hitting the refresh, see if we have anything else going off. So for those who've been following me long enough, you know what I'm going to be saying. Mantle plume motion. Sending a vibration to the plates. Remember, the tsunami buoys are anchored to the ocean floor. If you're going to have motion of the ocean floor, that will put the buoys into event mode. So while I'm waiting to see if anything else is going to go off, the Antipode, our earthquake is here. Our Antipode will be offshore Chile, Peru region. Right in this region. Therefore, we can expect a 6.2 to a 6.7 earthquake in this region here. Anywhere within hours to a couple of days. So an antipode, the energy will travel through the center of the earth. As it does, it will lose a magnitude between a 1 to a 1.5, and it will be within 30 degrees. So it will find a point of least resistance, or where earthquakes are most common. That being Peru, Lima, Peru, all the way down to Chile. Quite possibly a deep earthquake response. Bolivia region, encompassing Bolivia. I would also be on watch for Indonesia, Philippines region, maybe even Taiwan. Let's go back, refresh everything. call it a premonition, but I wouldn't be surprised if this buoy here, or this one, any of these groups might be going off in the near future. Let me change something here. I'm going to include the non-reporting stations. So if you have a substantial amount of energy coming up here, transmitted through where the plate is the thinnest, the oceanic plate, okay, folks, this actually woke me up, so I'm just looking at my heat map here. That is it for now.